Woo. What's up, fam? This is about as good as I'm gonna get showing my face in the food, because yeah, I'm even sitting down. It's just, it is what it is. What it is. All right, so I am about to do a detox, a 3-day detox, 3-day detox cleanse, and it is being paired together with a detox that I'm doing on, let me turn my head, the detox that I'm doing on, well, I've been promoting it on Instagram, but it's like a social detox as well. So it's kind of like different parts to this mug. So I talk about it a little bit more in my video on IG, but basically it's just that time of the year where it's just like I need to reset. I need to get some things just flushed out, spiritually, physically, everything. The point is to just get that clarity, to get those outside influences, all that other stuff out of my head, and really get some focus for the rest of this year. So I'm about to start making this juice. I found this recipe on YouTube, and it's by an account called Risa, Risa's Tips, and she has a whole bunch of like different juice recipes, smoothie recipes that are heavy in like alkaline, and just things that are good for the body. And so I want to give it a try, because these juices, when I saw these juices, they were so many different colors and they just looked really good. So now I felt like it was my turn to try, and it all came together like pretty well, because I was already knowing for a while that like I needed to do some kind of detox, because I was just getting to the point where I was on social media a lot and I wasn't going in the direction that I wanted to go in. And I mean, it was just kind of all over the place, like not necessarily going in the wrong direction, just not having a clear idea of what was next. So it was time. It was time. You're in the video, mother. You're debuting like Lola. Yeah, so we have cucumbers. We're going to use green apples. It calls for 3 of them, but these are small, so I'm going to use 4. And in the video, she explains the purpose of each one. So each day is a different drink, but this is like the drink that flushes everything out, I guess. Are you gonna wave? My mom, guys. The next thing we're going to use, celery stalks. I have 4 stalks, and they've all the produce has been, it's been washed with vinegar, just to make sure we ain't putting in no insecticides and whatnot in our body, because that would defeat the purpose of a detox. Oh yeah, so we're gonna cut these up into pieces and get this going. So I have been, the first day of this detox has been going pretty well. Only thing that I kind of wish that I got a little bit more of is sleep, because rest is important, obviously. And I ain't get a lot of that much. I woke up early to start doing some driving, which is a whole other story. Okay. So yeah, I honestly, I don't know what part of the celery you're supposed to use all the way. I think that, I don't know, I just feel like there's like these bunch of these little leaves that are stuck on here. And I also feel like I lost my train of thought. What was I talking about? But yeah, I just needed to figure out what direction we were going on, you know? Like Murphy Lee said, like what the hook gonna be? Okay. I mean, and don't finish the rest of that song because it doesn't apply. But the point is, I need to figure it out. So the first day, yeah, so this is the first day. The first day is like a detox. And then the second day and the third day, they all have a point to them. Each drink has a different purpose. And they're all really pretty colors, which I can't wait to show all of them. But we are on this first day. Okay, so we have it almost chopped up. All right. And let's hope these apples are sweet enough to make this drink not taste like I'm drinking vegetables, because I honestly don't like vegetable juice. We'll see. All right, so I think we got all of the stems off for the most part. Now it's time to blend that mug. Alright, so like I said before, I think that it's just going to be like a detox, so I don't know if there's going to be any visible results, but I guess we're gonna find out. Maybe, you know, like some bloating type situation. Maybe I'll show my before and after. We'll see. Maybe it'll help my skin too. So I still don't know what to do with pulp yet. I still don't know. I don't know. If you know something creative that I can do with this pulp, please let me know in the comments, because I just be tossing it out. At some point I do want to have like a compost bin or something like that, but that has not happened yet. So this holds about, so it made about a little over 16 ounces. And so I'm gonna add this here. So I'm gonna do about a cup of water. I can't measure that on here because there's not a cup on there. It's just 8 ounces. Or is that a cup? Don't judge me. All right, so we're gonna do 8 ounces. And this is alkaline water. Since what we have is alkaline, the cucumber, something else is alkaline. I think it's the apples. So I'm adding alkaline water just to keep it in the family. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. And we are going to pour a glass and see how it tastes. So you're supposed to drink this throughout the day. So just periodically I'll just come up in there. Oh, and let me do some ASMR for y'all, even though my mom's laughing in the background, so not real ASMR. The cucumber is like the strongest flavor. It's like a sweet cucumber, but I'm not opposed to cucumber. The parsley is in there, but it's like it's not as powerful as I thought it was gonna be. All right, not bad. I can finish this. I still have 16 ounces left. So, well, actually a little bit less than 16 ounces. So yeah, we will see how this goes, and I'll see y'all for day 2 of the detox, of the juice cleanse detox part. It'll be day 2 of the other detox, but the social media detox is 5 days, limiting it to 1 hour a day. And then I forgot to say also that there is so it's the detox, it's the prayer, fasting, prayer, meditation, Bible, all that good stuff. Then there is also, it's only an hour of social media. There's no fried food and no fast food. And y'all, I literally like almost went to McDonald's. Like, how did I forget that fast? I don't understand. But yeah, I will see you guys for the second part of this, and I'll let you know how I'm feeling, what I'm doing, and I will talk to y'all later.